Thank you.
Oh my god, it's Krayshawn. And we sound like Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada. Them basic bitches wear that shit, so I don't even bother. Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada. Them basic bitches wear that shit, so I don't.
Okay, so I'm currently in the car with Corey and Dad, and we are on our way. We're going to be staying at the Fantan Alley Hotels tonight. And this weekend is Awakening Chinatown, and we are going to be helping to set up, and I will be vlogging the whole thing, so yeah. Okay, so we made it to Chinatown, and now we're gonna head up to the Fantan Alley Hotels and get set up for the evening. Well, not the evening, just get set up. It's really nice. This is the Ugly Duckling. Fantan Alley Suites. You're gonna be in here, Corey. Okay.
Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard.
This is the fit. And Corey changed into something a little bit better for the occasion. Okay, we're going to head down. Watch your head, Corey.
She's a lab. Yeah, totally. That's the way they work.
Okay, so we're heading over to the Yates building, and this is going to be a future hotel, hopefully, in Victoria. My dad's working on it. It's got a beautiful mural on the side of orcas, and yeah. Also, the show Made was filmed there, so.
Oh, it's this building right up here, right?
Yes. This is it right here. It's a beautiful mural. That looks a little washed away now. The building. Going into the Yates building. Are we allowed to go in?
So you guys are still in here. Are you filming today, or are you just? Just right. Okay.
Okay, turns out we couldn't go in there because they're filming a TV show. Oh, cutie. Any comments, Corey?
Reginald the Vampire better be a good show, because they're ruining my tour.
Corey and I are just walking to Mark's so that he can get a pair of boots. We're walking through Chinatown, and it's very busy due to the festival tomorrow. Very excited. We're in Mark's because Corey is trying to look for some steel toe boots, and of course I am looking at shirts for Finley and other clothes to get Finley. So, just came out of Value Village, and Corey got a big haul.
Sweater vest, cargo pants, safety vest, and boots from Mark's.
Okay, so it's been about an hour, and in that time we got dressed into our Awakening Chinatown shirts and started putting up a bunch of lanterns. These aren't the ones that we put up, but they are very similar to the ones that we did. We put up like probably 50 around Chinatown, like that. I'm very excited for tomorrow when the festival actually starts. We are currently in line to get some barbecue pork buns.
They're
When I
pretty
go in,
mid.
I go, hi, I'm from Awakening Chinatown. They're like, cool.
Open. Whoa! We're currently walking downtown to Ghost Ramen for dinner. I had quite the nap. Wow, the gentlemen
Yeah, how
were
are you guys go to
awake.
sleep tonight? Up for like 5 hours.
5 hours?
Well, wait.
Well, it literally feels like so early.
Yeah, because your body's probably like it's morning.
I was exhausted. Today was a very busy day.
Hell yeah, Liz.
So we can go right now for ramen, or we can go someplace for a beer and then go for ramen. How, are you hungry? Like what? What do you want? Do you want to have a beer and then ramen?
If Brooklyn, you want a cocktail, what's really cool is that they have a whole bunch of stuff on draft, and it's not just beer. They'll have like margaritas and stuff on draft,
That's really cool.
and they taste really good. Like
Okay.
really good.
Okay, yeah, let's see what there is. Turns out craft beer is
Look at that.
closed.
That is just crazy. How
And it
busy
is bombing. So we're gonna go have dinner first, and then we are going to come back. Awakening Chinatown has started, and it is popping with people. The lion dances have started, and people have already started beginning to put out their lettuce for the lion. That's very exciting. I have given out plenty of flyers, and now I'm not really sure what my job is. I think I'm here just to kind of tell people what the event is, but I'm just walking around. I'm also looking for Corey as well. I'm not really sure where he is. Hi, camera! Hi, camera! Awakening Chinatown has been amazing so far. It's perfect.
2023, next year, come back, it'll be even bigger and better.
Exactly. Okay, currently I'm gonna walk back to the apartment building because I need to charge my camera, and I think I need to give out some more flyers. But so far everything's going great, and I'm gonna get some breakfast as well. So. Okay, so we had a very successful Awakening Chinatown Parade Festival. Right now, Corey and I are just getting ready to start saying thank you and our goodbyes to the people who came. Thank you so much for coming. Thank you for coming! So, Awakening Chinatown has now finished. We are just sitting on a bench waiting for everyone to gather together, and then we're gonna head over to Swan's Pub and Brewery. Then we're gonna head home for the 9 o'clock ferry. Any thoughts and comments?
No.
We're almost finished everything. Hey guys, we are now heading to Swan's.
Quack. That's not the sound a swan makes.
What sound does a swan make?
Oh.
It's like,
No. What?
Dude.
they're so terrifying. Swans are like, that seems
I
a bit
was
more
in
right.
Stratford. We take photos of them.
Oh, really? We just came back from Swan's Pub and Brewery. It was very fun. We had lots of nachos and some drinks, and it was very, very, very fun.
Oh, what a day! We got so lucky. Woo, woo!